And the shaking is a really good sign when we work on animals because it means that they kind of took that in. So I'm going to spin you around. Let's not get you tangled. And I'm going to check now. Here we go. Got it. Sorry, little boo-boo. So we have Glitzy here today, and Glitzy is a Pomsky, a Pomeranian and Husky mix, approximately 2 years old, and he is so cute. Come over here and be with everybody. Here, take a seat. And he had knee surgery last year, I guess, right? Last year? About a year ago, where he had his back right patella, like a little plate put in. And in the smaller dogs, I know this is a big smaller dog, but in smaller dogs they have a tendency, especially the smallest dogs, to get hypermobile patellas where the kneecap gets too mobile and can actually come out of joint. So this is what happened to this one, and then the left knee is vulnerable now too. On a scale of 1 to 4, it's a 1, but the right knee is the one that needed the surgery. So I'm not gonna, work on the kneecap per se. I'm gonna look at the alignment of the neck, the spine, the pelvis, and I'm gonna start out the top of the neck here. And the first thing I check is the atlas. And I'm checking for the space between the wings of the atlas and the angle of the jawbone. And he's got a little tight spot at the right superior atlas. So we flick it just with the fingertip. You won't hear a pop like you do on humans. There you go. How was that? Was that okay? So that's the first one. That was the right atlas. Let me check the space again. Good. Now I'm going to come down the neck. There's misalignment at the vertebral body at C4. And that's a good sign when they shake. It means that he already integrated the first adjustment. So I'm going to go back to C4 on the right. You're going to spin around a little bit. Come this way a little bit more. All right, come around. There you go. So the right in there. Got it. Oh, how was that one? I'm going to come down the spine. Now I'm at C6, C7, T1. They have 7 cervical bones. We have 7. 13 thoracic, 7 lumbars. We have 5 lumbars. And 12 thoracic, so there's different spinal segments. Now here's a tender spot. I'm down at the thoraco-lumbar junction where the 13th vertebra of the thoracics is meeting the first lumbar vertebra. And the shaking is a really good sign when we work on animals because it means that they kind of took that in. So I'm going to spin you around. Let's not get you tangled. And I'm going to check now. Here we go. Got it. Sorry, little boo-boo. Probably just scared the parents right now. It's right in though. So there was a misaligned vertebra. And I know that was really loud, but it was actually a good thing because it's back in now. So right where the thoracics meets the lumbars, it was all out. Now I'm checking down the sacrum, sacral base. The apex is centered. I'm going to take this leash off so he's not restricted. Okay. Just check here. Shoulders, pec. Good. Notice how much he calmed down too. I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I just hurt him. But he's now kind of in a little Zen state. He's all He's looking at me, he's connecting, he's not running away from me, he's not scared. So notice the body language. The body language is he's licking me now. You know, the body language is he's integrated that, he's accepted it. And we're gonna see him move around now, and you'll see him shake out when he gets up. So you can walk around a little bit, come on. He's with me though. Come here, follow him.
You can call him.
Come here. Your neck feels good now. Your atlas feels good. Perfect on the spine. Yeah, he had a bad spot there. Were you aware of that? It clicked right in. All right, I think you're done. Okay, thanks for coming today. There's the shape.
There it is.